think I've shown you guys yet, and I think I recorded a video, I just never uploaded it. This is the 10 through 14 premium ambient lighting kit. This is the whole center console, and actually it's a carbon fiber one actually from True Fiber, and whoever had it last left it on blue. I really wish they would have left it on red, but yeah, I mean, it sucks, but hey, it's better than nothing. I have the base model, so it makes it kind of hard to get it to change colors. I need to get like the premium steering wheel, I need to get the premium gauges, that way I can turn on the my color feature. But hey, I mean, look at this, pretty cool. But right now, guys, I'm actually on my way to pick up my friend Luis, because we're gonna go and head out to a local meet, and it actually should be pretty lit, man. So expect good content. They always have it set up where they go to different meets because the cops always get there, so it's gonna be a little rush, so stay tuned. This is hosted by Whipple Chris and some other guy here locally. I think like his name's Jesse. Chris is known for his racing videos and stuff on Instagram. He's like a little celebrity here locally, so he does do big things here, and he just started bringing the car community back together, which is awesome, because I feel like here in the valley we've been lacking a little bit. So I mean, we're bringing a little bit of life back into the valley when it comes to the car scene. Hey, someone told me you were gonna burn out today. I don't know.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Oh shoot! All right. All right, there's already people here. That's what I like to see, baby. I tried getting this spot just because if the cops show up, that way we have an easy way to get out. That's my mentality right now. You know, I gotta think smarter.
No, you're learning from experience.
I'm learning from experience. I've gotten a ticket before, so think smarter, don't work harder. There you go. I like your tint, man. Who did your tint?
None other than Mr. Albert Flores.
That's right, baby. It's a pretty good turnout so far. It started at 7:30. We're like, it's 7:35, so 5 minutes late, but it's gonna get pretty packed right now. Big dogs, big dogs. It's nice, man. Dude, this wrap is like, I like this one. This one's badass too, though. It has a metallic flake on it. This is what I've been basing mine off of, like locally. I need to see if he's on spacers though, because I wonder like what are his wheel specs, and that's something I need to check out. But I mean, it's like an RTR replica kind of style, or like inspired. It's freaking badass, man. I really like it. All right, yeah, they do have wheel spacers. I'm gonna ask them though to see if it's 2-inch, or honestly, I don't know what's the width there, but yeah, he's on spacers. So I might need that for the fitment on mine. Looks pretty dope, man. Pretty wide. Nardo gray color is freaking badass. Dude, it's a good turnout, man. Oh shit. That one one's nice. What is 01? Oh, 06. 06, my bad. No wonder it's nice. I didn't see what it was. Dude, the wrap on this car is so clean. Like, dude, are they all like, they're all turbo? I was about to say, I think it's a bad spot for us because everybody's gonna be pulling out. You get run over, bro. Calling you out, dude. I don't know. It's calling you out. Just saying. This guy's like, I'm going for the content. This guy's gonna get run over, dude. Oh shoot. Cops are here. Let's go. Where are you at, Luis? Let's go, baby. They're surrounded. I don't know. Look, can't leave.
Where's the cop at?
I don't know. I heard them over there. Everybody ran, but I mean, nobody can move. right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get out. Look, you can't exit out through over there. There was like one cop here. Everybody kept doing their thing, and then the rest of the cops showed up, and now everybody's like honking, like getting out of here. Now everybody's trying to get out, and everybody just stopped traffic until right now. Everybody's actually moving. So I learned from last time, guys. Last time I tried being the cool guy, the nice guy, just hanging out till everybody left, and then I ended up getting a ticket because I didn't bounce when the cops got here. But apparently that's what you got to do. So now the cops are here. I mean, you can see the lights behind me. I'm trying to get out of here before they get me, and they still don't care. They're still burning out. So I'm just trying to get out of here, man, before I get a ticket. All right, so the second location just got posted, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see if the cops aren't there yet, but we need to get out of here quick. You won't believe what the heck just happened. So we leave the meet, right? We were leaving and I stopped recording, and I just feel this bump behind me, and it was this guy. You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
He freaking hit me from the back, dude. What were you thinking?
Yeah, my bad.
I know we're trying to leave, but come on, man.
I panicked.
Nah, we're good. Is this it? I think that's where you hit it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I just felt like the big bump, and I was like, oh, come on.
Dude. Nah, malo primero que I was like, dude.
To make things even worse, guys, the car locked, and my keys fell out of my pocket. You can't see them, but they're in there, and yeah, so I don't know what the hell. They just came out of my pocket. They're on my seat. Now I'm in this predicament. We parked here at Target because the next spot is at Dick's. That way the cops come, I mean, we can just come this way. But this crap happened. It just ruined the night there. So I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. This is so stupid. Like, the keys fell out of my pocket and the car's locked. I don't have a spare set of keys. I've always had one. That's the only one they gave me when I bought the car. So whatever. I'm gonna keep filming right now, guys. We're in spot number 2, I guess, till the cops kick us out again. It started getting real lit. I knew it. It started off pretty slow, but it just got real badass. And I know a lot of people aren't for the burning out and for the revving, but it's for the content, man. And I mean, I know it makes the cops come and kick everybody out, but it actually makes things exciting, you know. I know a lot of people are just into chilling out, and I'm into chilling out and enjoying the cars, but little action don't hurt, right? So I'm all for it. All right, guys, round 2 right now. Huh? See how long it takes before we get kicked out of here. This time we thought it was smart. We're parked far away, that way the cops won't get to us, or we won't have to run, but seems like everybody made it here. And even more people than the last one. Saw some different cars already. About 10 minutes, guys, the cops are already here. Oh, this guy has a bad build, man. I follow him on Instagram. Senor Blue. Front row seats, baby, to the cops. Watch everybody run. Alright, guys, so while everybody's bouncing out, Efrain showed up. He's gonna do his thing, he's gonna work his magic. Is that a Supra? Anyways, he's gonna do his thing. Like I said, I left my keys in here, so he's gonna go ahead and open it up for me and try to get him, man, because it sucks.
We're gonna do it again.
No, alright, so I didn't record it, guys, but he was able to open it up. So, man, please show this guy some love. He's come in clutch so many times, but I appreciate it as always, man. He's able to get the keys, and the keys are just where I told you guys. Inside. They fell out of my pocket. Change of scene with the wifey and the baby back there. Cops came again. They raided it again. That was the second spot. I don't think there's a third spot anymore. It's already 10 o'clock, so I don't know if they're gonna have another spot or something, but I'm ready with the family, so we're gonna go ahead and get something to eat, and that's gonna be it. Like I said, it started off slow. It ended up pretty badass. Hope you guys did enjoy the content. I know it's been a while since I've gone to any car meets, so hopefully I'm able to come out to more meets out there. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.